How would you like to help run a 2,000 plus member translation book club? So as many of you, or some of you, as many of you, depending on which videos you've seen, as some of you might know, I set up a translation book club on Facebook wherein we talk about translation. We talk about books dealing with translation or books that have been translated. We are now on to our third book, and I started it, but then someone came and helped me and actually helped me grow it quite a bit and get it going. But then she wasn't able to continue working with it. And so now I'm working on it alone again, and I'm not dedicating nearly enough time to it, nearly not as much time as I should be dedicating to it. So the result is that we have quite a few members, I think 2,300 something as of this recording, but we don't have much interaction. Now, the members can't just join. This is a closed group, so they have to ask to join. So everyone who joins actually asks to join. It has to reply to questions to join. So the interaction really is my fault. And it's because I haven't been dedicating the time to it, the necessary time to it. So I really would like someone to come help me with this translation book club. So if you are interested in the translation book club, first of all, I'll link to the book club down below in the description in case you're interested in checking it out. And if you're interested in helping me, then I ask you to shoot me an email. At this email address here, I'll put the email address down here below. And if you could shoot me an email and let me know what your ideas are and stuff like that. So far, it's been, I'm posting every week and we talk about the book we're discussing and other things pertaining to translation in general. But by and large, I really haven't been doing enough with it. And so I really would like someone to join and to keep it active and to try to get more activity from all the members. So if this is something that you think might be interesting for you, then absolutely feel free to let me know, and we can take it from there. We can talk about it, and we can discuss what your ideas are, what mine, something, and then we can see how we can go moving forward. That's all I wanted to say in this video, and so I leave you at that. Actually, I do want to add one more thing, and this has nothing to do with what I said in the video before. If you are interested in online courses or online videos, but you're not really sure about them, you're not sure if you want to commit, you're not sure if they're right for you, then you can do 14 free days of these online course of videos by using my link, my Skillshare link below, which you'll find in the description link below. If you use that, it'll pop up a page that says 14 premium days. It means you get 14 days where you can try any course on the Skillshare platform. You can try mine if you want, or you can try any other course that you want just to see if it's good for you. I think this is a great deal because then after 14 days, you can decide, no, I don't want to deal with it anymore. Or you can decide to continue. And then I think it's either monthly or yearly or something, whatever it costs. But I think this is a great opportunity to try to check out these courses for free. So you can use my link. You get it for free. I've mentioned this before. I get paid something, I think $10 for every person who joins. But obviously, if you cancel, I'm pretty sure I don't get paid anyway. But I just want to make it available to you because I think it's a great opportunity for you guys. Whether you cancel or not, it's up to you. I'm not saying to keep it just cause. But I just think it's a great opportunity to try these online courses for free because a lot of people ask me about it. Like they're curious about online courses, but they're not sure if it's the right thing for them because it's relatively new. And I think this is a great way to give it a go and try it for free and see if it works for you. So that's pretty much it. And otherwise, I will talk to you next time. Okay, thanks. Bye. Savedum.